Hey guys, we received this vegetable chopper or a zucchini spiralizer for test and try. It's a multifunctional onion cutter, food chopper with a handheld vegetable spiral or the other container for potato, tomatoes, carrot or any other use. Is a nice for your kitchen as it is 6 in 1 and can do a lot of stuff. So let me just open the box and show you everything. So this is the main vegetable chopper, and these are the attachments like a brush, cleaner, the different style of graters, and then the collection chamber. So this one have a very nice spiky things in here that fit really nice on the top. It's a clear so you can see what's inside, and there's a sharp button, easy to change these attachments. You just take this up, and then say if you want to put a big one, then you can just put this in the upper side and lock it. So this is all set. So the coarse dicing blade, the half inches, and fine dicing blade is 1/4 or 1/4 inch. And you can just easily use. This is the spiralizer with the four different thickness of vegetable noodle sort of thing. If you want to do, you can just attach it and then control this. So overall, it's nice with the cleaning brush and all other attachments that I'm going to show. So the cleaning is pretty easy, and if something is stuck, you can use that clothing that I will show. So this is a manual. This describes all the process. So how you can chop and you can use and clean everything. So basically, you put any onion or stuff on the top, press it, and this will dice into the small pieces. And then the spiralizer, the four different settings that you can use. So with all these things, I can show you the demo, and this is the claw just to clean up. So very nice set. You can see you can also clean and detach this upper part. So this is pretty nice that you can clean each and every part of it. So say like I just cut in the small pieces. This is a capsicum, and just put it in the top of it. Press it, and this will turn into a small pieces. Very nice small pieces that you can use for your cooking or any other purpose. So the more of it. So see the small diced pieces. So this is a tomato. I'm just trying to do a tomato thing, and here it is all gone. Say you have to cut in half so that it will fit in one place, and then just cut it to see like a small pieces. So evenly distributed quarter inches pieces that you can easily use. The same thing with the onion. You have to cut in half and then use this to cut it. A very nice vegetable cutter or the user for your kitchen, easy to clean and use.